The routing screen in TrashFlow just got a major visual upgrade. Today, I'll walk you through all the new features and interface changes that make managing your routes easier and more intuitive than ever before. The first thing you'll notice is that the routing screen looks different. We've redesigned the interface with new icons and a fresh look that adapts to your preferences. Let's talk about the new icons you'll see on the routing screen. You'll notice we've replaced the plus sign with a caret icon for route notes. Just look for the caret to add or view notes about your route. Stop types now have their own distinct icons. The house icon represents a normal stop. The arrows icon indicates a one-time stop. And the phone icon marks on-call stops. Don't worry, icons for bi-weekly pickups and first, second, third, or last week pickups remain unchanged, so you'll still recognize those familiar markers. TrashFlow's routing screen now automatically adjusts to dark mode or light mode based on your computer's settings. Whatever you prefer for your system, the routing screen will match it for a more comfortable viewing experience. We've also improved how you select and manage stops on your routes. When you select a stop, you'll see it highlighted in green, making it easy to see exactly what you're working with. Need to select multiple stops? Here's how. Shift-click to select a range. Just click your first stop, hold Shift, and click your last stop. All of the stops in between will be highlighted automatically. Or use Control-click to select individual stops, one at a time, giving you complete control over which stops you're working with. And here's the feature you're going to love. You can now drag and drop stops. Want to rearrange the order of stops on a route? Just click and drag them to where you need them. Need to move stops from one route to another? No problem. Drag it from one route and drop it onto another. It's that simple. If you have questions about any of these new routing screen features, our tech support team is ready to help. And if you'd like hands-on training to get comfortable with the updated interface, give us a call to schedule a session. And there you have it, the updated routing screen in TrashFlow, designed to make your route management faster and more intuitive. Questions? Call us at 800-708-8642. TrashFlow, saving haulers time since 1989.